Umoja.
But on a more serious note though, that girl in your class, why? What kind of hairstyle was that? I am my force.
I don't even know, my sister.
Hey, it's like a carpenter did the hair for her. You and your mouth.
Anyway, did you talk to a chance today?
No.
After class?
No, I didn't see her at all. Anyway, on a more serious note, some of these moments must be kept. Don't take my phone. We should totally snap. So that one day when you become your doctor or something, you will say
Doctor,
I knew you.
I'll be famous.
There you go. Oh, goodness. Look at her.
Let's hurry up and finish this thing so we can go and do other things. Hey, no fair.
Come on. You know I play to win.
What do you try me intro?
Oh, come on. How can I dada you? You know that Manuel is always truthful. I always speak the truth. Come on. But then, on a more serious note, I would like to come over to your end. When do you think is the best time? And more importantly, can I get your room number? Maybe you could text it or something.
It's a secret code. I'll let you know later.
Come on, secret code?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? But then nonetheless, you know that I'm a cipher, alright? I've got all the codes, so don't worry. But hey, make it easy for me, just text it to me, okay?
Okay. Fine. See you later. Bye.
Evelyn, hey, sorry, I thought it was Evelyn. Never knew she had a roommate. By the way, I'm Manuel. Is she in? Is Evelyn in?
Sorry. Yes, she's in.
Okay.
Please sit.
All right.
Pardon my manners.
You've got a nice place.
Thank you. I'll go get a drink for you.
Alright, nice.
Hey. Manuel is here to see you.
Oh, he's early.
Then I guess I would keep him company. You take your time and doll yourself up.
Thanks, Giselle.
No pressure. What are roomies for? She'll be with you shortly.
Oh, okay.
Besides, I hear you are in early. You couldn't wait, eh?
What can I do?
Enjoy.
Wow. Cookies and drink.
Yes.
My favorite.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
So, Manuel, tell me a bit about yourself.
What is it about me? Let's see. I'm just a regular guy, you know?
Yeah, something fun. What do you do for fun?
Reaching out to the girl, man, reaching out to the man, them, the one that love story.
I read it. What is this? Oh. I told you last semester that Manuel was into Evelyn.
Why bring this up now?
Because I just saw him enter her room.
I wish them well.
Yeah? Yes. You want to do?
She squeezed and squeezed, and instead of giving birth to a baby, she laid an egg. Oh, it's true.
I don't believe
Look,
it.
it's happened in the village.
I don't
I
believe
said it happened. It's true.
Manuel.
Hey, Evelyn. Hi. You should hear that story. It's just very, very interesting.
Manuel, I hope you've met my roommate, Giselle.
Yeah, I have. She's really, really funny.
Giselle, thanks for keeping Manuel company.
I guess that's my cue to leave.
Oh.
Manuel,
Yeah.
it was nice meeting you. See you again.
Sure. You need to hear that again, trust me. Your friend, she's very interesting. She really got me laughing. So, what's up? All right. Movement time.
Oh, let me put these away.
Okay.
Oh, Manuel, don't tell me you're leaving us already.
Too bad, but I am. But hey, I promise to be back soon.
Okay.
Hey, Evelyn, good night.
Evelyn, aren't you going to see Manuel off? Come, let's go see him off. Hey, don't be a smart boy. Come, let's go.
Not gonna be your friend and your remedy. Yeah, we use words and a melody. Tap. When I sing you my song.
Well then, Manuel, have a good night.
Oh, come on, Rumi. It's late. Can we at least take him to the entrance?
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you, Giselle, but don't worry, I can find my way home.
I know you can. You seem very capable. But I still insist.
Okay. Hey.
Let's go.
When I did love and you love me back. When we did together, it's a holiday. We know the mind, know they hear the talk. Yeah, it's only you and I.
Okay then, Manuel. Bye. We'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Hey, bye.
Ebeyo, Abba. What cheap stance are you pulling?
What?
No be me do one more. No be me do one. All of the progress way you see now my life. No be me do one. No be me do one more. No be me do one. Give me God Almighty. From one place to the other.
I so know that Manuel that came to see you yesterday. I am a prophetess. Hallelujah, somebody. I knew I was going to make a move.
Yeah, you did. Well, but don't get ahead of yourselves. We're just getting to know each other.
My dear, don't take too long knowing me, knowing you. Else he will just get bored and walk away. Or worse, some girl with sticky fingers will just come and grab him.
Why bother if he's going to be snatched away that easily?
How? See, men are not easy to come by you. Please.
Oh, please.
Evelyn, hey, you're back.
Hi.
Eat up for me. I like it when I cook and the man enjoys the food. And the way you're sweating tells it all. Evelyn, you're back. I made some fried rice and chicken. And Manuel loves it. Manuel, how are you enjoying the food? Nice one. Enjoy. It's all yours. Eat for me. Eat. Evelyn, help yourself with some. I made some fruit salad as well for dessert.
I already ate. I'm fine.
Are you sure? Disgusting. Where are you up to? Evelyn.
Can I have some more, Julie?
Certainly.
Right.
Drink up for me for more power and energy.
Thank you.
You need it.
What else?
Evelyn! Oh, Evelyn! Oh, hi, it's Anna. Hey,
Hi.
have you been avoiding me?
Have I?
Yeah, it looks like, can we talk in private?
Wait. Private.
Yeah.
I have a class right now, and I don't want to be late.
Definitely, I'll call you. Evelyn, I'll call you.
You and I both know we are done for the day. Can you really tell me what this is about?
I'm not ready to talk about this right now. And honestly, I don't want to mar my day with any thoughts of... Let's go.
Is it a lover's quarrel? Or wait, is it something else? Tell me.
I will tell you later. Let's go.
Hey boy, so I bella them.
The day your guy go see me, be a trouble, yeah. See the day when my girl go catch you, be a trouble, yeah. The day your guy go see me, be a trouble. What else? Yeah. You know what time it is? You see the thing what we do, we gotta think about it. Cause a boy and a girl, I still the rock your body. Yeah, we are home, but share them. Eventually we have to define what we do, but on the contrary, you know me, I'm feeling you sick of the way we do it. Yeah, me come on, once and one, me soon, Miss Akuvi.
What's up? Manuel left already.
Manuel, even you knew he was here. He's there all right. Only he didn't come to see me. I just got back.
Who then?
My roommate.
Hey, you must be joking.
You were wondering why I was hostile to that rat last week. That is why. I come home every evening to find him in my room with her. They were crouched to us, stirring a pot of chicken stew. Apparently, he has a thing for rice and chicken.
Hey, Nipa, you're bad. See, me, I always knew that Giselle was a Scorpio.
She's giving him cooking lessons.
Oh, wow. How romantic. Sorry. But wait, what are you going to do about it? Surely you're not going to just let her have him like that.
He's not worth it.
Hey, yeah. Oh, what a life. Stone boy.
I'm tired and hungry. Do you have anything to eat?
I have biscuits. You don't like biscuits?
I better get back to my room and get proper food to eat.
Okay, I have things to do, so later. Take care.
Why did you lock the door? May I pass?
Baby, what was that?
They were doing it.
Ruthless too. But you, I blame you small. You let up too easily. Soft. Unless, of course, you didn't like the guy.
Coming to think of it, I never really did. And I say good riddance. They can have each other.
Well, you're right though. What, that guy. He has no class at all. Cheap. Yeah.
I hope he's gone now. Because the sight of him will just make me sick.
That Giselle is a Jezebel. Proper Jezebel. But don't worry. She go pay. She will pay proper.
Well, them say, girl, trust me, I'm not girl, me see, I'ma feel like some of them are no real. But from a step up another place, yeah, the thing get great.
Try it, I'll catch it.
Easy, sorry.
Hey! Hey! Get your filthy hands off my man. Listen,
What the heck was that about?
did you see how she ran? Like a mouse. Nobody plays around with my man.
Come on, look, that wasn't cool. I mean, you embarrassed me. Why?
Whatever, let's just go. I can't stand those gossips. You go concerned with me. Which gossip? Wait, you know they're serious. Okay. Now here we do. Oh God.
What's in the warrior?
What's in happen? Biatch. No. Now my kind of girl be that. You know? Hey.
Move.
Now, wait, Echan. Didn't you tell me last 2 weeks that Manuel and Evelyn were together?
Yes, I did.
So, what happened?
Wait till you zip. Your mouth where they open left, right, center, anyhow, any corner. Now you dey zip am. Please spill the beans, Joe.
Talk.
Why?
Talk. What happened?
Okay, fine. Whatever I say stays here. Do you hear me? If I hear it anywhere. Okay, come.
I said it happened. Have you been avoiding me?
Have I?
She's
Outright shamelessness.
Whoa. One at a time.
But why would she do that? She violated the code.
Yes, I would have changed my room immediately. That's plain wickedness.
Hey, girls. Sorry to bust your bubble. Okay? That girl, I'm rather impressed, you know. That girl has got nerve. I like her. In my next life, I'll make her my best friend.
Hey, Ijoma, how can you even think that and say it out loud?
Please, it's a free world, okay? If I want something, I will go for it. Yes. The world could go choke on their code of honor bullshit or go jump into the sea. What is it?
Hey,
It's her fault. Evelyn. She is too uptight. Why tight? No, seriously. I mean, how can you give attention to a man when you are so cold and hard?
still.
No, it's too much. She has to loosen up. That prim pro thing is too much. She has to loosen up.
But wait, did you guys ask Evelyn if she truly wants that guy?
It is still a low blow. It's a still low blow.
She didn't try. She didn't try.
That Giselle can kill.
She
Kill
just...
or be killed. Yes. Now jungle life we dey live so now. The system takes no prisoners. I beg. Psycho for real.
What is wrong with
I don't
her?
go my room.
Take this girl.
Oh, leave me.
See her. Hey. This girl is so annoying.
But why are you surprised? Don't you know Ijoma? Don't you know her? Just let's leave her, please.
I know where he be.
Abo.
Seriously, look, I don't like this whole thing. Why? Should it always be like this?
It shouldn't. Just relax.
Listen. I've had enough of your jealous and possessive outbursts. It is not attractive.
Money, darling, relax. It is just in my nature. It's nothing serious. See, I guard what's his mind very fiercely.
Says who? Who says I'm yours? Who says? Look, I am not yours. I never was. And never will be. Never.
Wow. You know what? I say good riddance to such bad rubbish. You weren't even half the man I thought you'd be anyway.
Oh yeah?
Yes. What an absolute waste of my precious time. You know what? Gary, you spineless buffoon.
Okay, fine, I'm leaving.
Whatever,
You
bye.
know what? It is your loss, not mine.
Bye, just leave. Go! Plenty food. No action.
Evie, see, listen, Evie, look, listen, Evie, I really want to apologize for my uncle's behavior, okay? See, please forgive me. It is you I really wanted. I was deceived.
Oh, so now you know what you want. Impressive. Now, let me tell you what I know I don't want. You never did, don't now, forever will not. Boy, bye.
I'm sorry. See, Eve, listen, look.
It's a bang. Yeah. Another one for the ladies. So why? When boy. Yeah. Forget about this stress, baby.
You can have a seat.
Wow. Cozy place you have here. Thank you. Are you alone here?
Yeah, just me.
Ah, interesting.
Okay, so let me get you something to drink. I'll be right back.
Sure, thank you.
Talk to me, baby. Talk to me, baby. Talk to me, baby. I want to know what's going on in your mind. Oh, talk to me, baby. Talk to me.
Oh, let me get that.
Sure.
Make yourself at home, enjoy your biscuits.
Sure. Don't be long, okay?
I can see the I say I'm gonna treat you bad and you really need somebody to love you like how you're supposed to be. The love keep pulling you close to me. So how am I supposed to know when you're not even chat to me, baby?
Woman, you are the chosen. Say me I no candidate of the open. Come check like it frozen. I bring the fire, make it hot up like a oven. Yeah, that's where that heavy lady. Be to a waist like a movie.
Hello.
Hi.
And you are?
Vincent.
Talk to me, baby. Talk to me, baby.
Of Umoja,